Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Newgen Software Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. So we are comparing 30 June 2020 with 30 June 2021. So revenue from operations increases from 132 crores to 159 crores. Here revenue from operations increased. So we'll check it in percentage. So here 20.7 percentage revenue was increased. This is positive sign. Later other income. Previous year 3.9 crores. This year 10.5 crores. Here approximately 7 crores was increased. So we need to check the reason how other income was increased. Later expenses. Employee benefit expenses. Previous year 78 crores. This year 93 crores. Here approximately 25 crores was increased. So Newgen Software is software company. Employees are the core strength. So they're spending more amount for employees. We need to find the reason. The employee benefit expenses increased due to employee salary or management salary. Later finance cost. So previous year 1.7 crores. This year 65 lakhs. Here finance cost decreased from 1.7 crores to 65 lakhs. So this is positive side. That means Newgen Software is a zero debt or minimum debt company. Later depreciation. Previous year 5.7 crores. This year 4 crores. So here depreciation decreased and also only little bit change. We'll ignore this one. Later other expenses. Previous quarter 38 crores. This quarter 43 crores. Here 5 crores was increased. What we understood based on revenues and expenses. Revenues increased from 132 crores to 159 and other income also increased from 3.9 crores to 10.5 crores. Here employee benefit expense increased from 78 crores to 93 crores. Finance cost decreased. Other expenses increased 5 crores. Now I'll check profit before tax. Previous year 11.9 crores. This year 28.6 crores. So here approximately 16 or 17 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. So here 140 percentage profit before tax increased. So why 46 percentage means here other income increase and also expenses decrease. Later tax expense, current tax, previous year 6.4 crores, this year 10.1 crore. Later here deferred tax, previous year 3.6 crores credited, this year 3.1 crores credited. So net profit is previous year 9.1 crores, this year 21.6 crores. Here approximately 11 or 12 crores are increased. We'll check it in percentage. So 136 percentage increased. What we observed based on year-on-year results means here revenue increased only 20.7 percentage, but profit before tax and profit after tax increased 140, 136 percentage. How means here they have high other income and also less expenses. Now here equity share capital, previous year 69.1 crore, this year 69.3 crores. So only little bit change, we'll ignore this one. Here basic EPS, last year 1.3 rupees, this year 3.12 rupees. Here approximately it was doubled. So this is good sign. Now check quarter on quarter results. In previous quarter 199 crores revenues and here 159 crores revenue. So here revenues was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. So here 20 percentage revenue was decreased quarter on quarter. This is negative sign. Later profit before tax, it was decreased from 65 crores to 28 crores. We'll check it in percentage. So 56 percentage decreased. Later net profit, it was decreased from 52 crores to 21 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 59 percentage decreased. So Newgen Software year-on-year results are good, but quarter-on-quarter results are not good. And also we need to remember one point for year-on-year results. They got high other income due to that reason. Here they got high profit before tax and profit after tax. Now I'll check few more points. Here current price of Newgen Software is 662 rupees. Here 5% is lower circle. Why means here quarter on quarter results are not good, year on year results are good, but due to high other income they got high profit after tax. Now I'll check dividend. So here in 2018 they paid 2 rupees, then 2019 3 rupees. Here 2 years increase, then later decreased. Here in 2020 they gave 2 rupees only. Then afterwards in 21 they gave 3.5 rupee. In 2020 they decreased dividend. Remaining years it's increased. This is positive sign. Now we'll check price for last 1 year. Here we have price chart for 1 year. So before 1 year price is 174 rupees. Current price is 699, that means 700 rupees. So price was increased from 174 to 700 means price was increased very high. So now I'll check last 1 year results. Here last 4 quarters results. This last year June quarter results. Here sales increased 0.8%, in September 0.6%, in December 0.3%, in March 4.7%. So Newgen Software last 4 quarters sales are not increased much. So this is one negative sign. Now we'll check profits. In June quarter here 196% is increase, and then September quarter 592% is increase, in December quarter 47% is increase, in March quarter 27% is increase. So here sales are not increasing but profits increased. How means? One is their expenses decreased. If you see this one, in June quarter 5% is decrease, in September quarter 21% is decrease, in December 21% is decrease, in March 3% is decrease. One more thing, they are getting high other income. Here 4.5 crores, 3 crores, 3 crores, 3.9 crores. Due to low expenses and high other income, so here they are getting high profits. We need to observe this point. Now I'll check valuation ratios. Current ROC is 27, this is good figure. ROE is 20.7%, this is also good figure. Debt to equity is 0.03 means this is zero debt company. And the price to sales is 7.28. Here we are paying for 1 rupee sales, we are paying 7 rupees. This is high. Now check PE. So PE before result is 37, PE after result is 33. So due to good results, PE was decreased from 37 to 33. Current PE is 33. We'll compare with 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 19.2. Okay, current PE 33, 3 years median PE 19. That means based on 3 years median PE, currently Newgen Software is overvalued. So conclusion is pros: zero debt, year on year results are excellent, year on year results are good due to high other income. Cons are overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 19 and current PE is 33. Quarter on quarter results are not good. Risk: price increases from 174 rupees to 700 in 1 year. So if the market corrects, then this stock also will correct. So we need to remember that point. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.